Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to walk my path with me. You see that bolt right there? How it looks nice and shiny. Brand new sensor. Well, it didn't always look like that. It looked like that. Struggling at identification. That was a 10 millimeter bolt. A 10 millimeter headed bolt. And as we could see, the flavor has grown so much, it's actually pushing the sensor from the body. So that's what the other one looked like, and it definitely gave me the business in trying to remove it. So it started out life this way, and then it went into crisis and started looking like that. So you know what, let's see how it looks after I take that flavor off. And that is what's left. It's still holding, but I can tell you this. I'm going to look into my magic crystal ball, and I'm going to tell you that this sensor is soon going to fail in the near future. But not that one anymore, and not today. The light is out, the car is fixed. And if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.